Dr. Kojo Sam. This guy. They don't call him Mr. Empowerment because of the way they can empower youth, not be only for a local government, but you don't empower youth for Bayelsa talent, this guy. Without here saying empower people talent, in the empower talent. Now me say I send a text. I don't know how can tell me that period I haven't forget how to be a comedian. So I just send a text saying, Oga, say Mr. I get talent to now reply me. Which talent you have? I say, Oga, I can track very well. I've tracked for the former governor, I've tracked for some ministers. He said, are you sure you can track very well? I said, yes, sir. I've been trekking in all my life. He said, how much can you trek from Nimbe to Brass? I said, okay, if you give me 500,000, I'll fit trek. I said, send me a account number. Now he sent me like 700 self. Now carry trek, that trek is not easy. I don't trek until the flyboat now carry me go reach Brass that period. Now, this man, we don't empower. Now promise recently now buy brand new generator, soundproof. Give one church, All Saint Christ Church International for Opunembe Basamburi branch. He promised them this generator. Yes, he promised them generator, but the date never even reached when he's supposed to give them the generator. But because of the way he promised, he go surprise them. Date never reached. He carry soundproof generator go drop. Even church the surprise. So we carry the soundproof. Even the pastor they tell and say, okay, but my son. But the date he promised have not reached. He said 2 weeks time. It's just within 1 week, I bring the soundproof. He said no. Kojo just say no, take. Then he say, man, see the way you can celebrate in boss, in your birthday. Timothy Silva, Malin, the Honorable Minister of Petroleum State. The man are from Bayelsa, and a Bayelsa man. See the way the Kojo can celebrate this man. First day where they, even as the coronavirus, they say, you know, you don't care. See they can celebrate Silva in your birthday. As they enter Nimbe, for road, now this way they test, go first test the forehead. You know, so now for this country, they say even security don't get power past a medical doctor. When they enter bank, instead of medical doctor go check you, now security man go tell medical doctor say shift. Let me check you. Let me check your medical status of the corona. So as you want go neighbor, they don't tell all this way they test, so they don't carry to point your forehead, give you small hand sanitizer for pocket before you enter Nimbe for the birthday. And Kojo make them compulsory face masks. Everybody face mask because as they enter Nimbe, see the face masks. If not be say, I don't know whether I go wear and say, as they read news, I don't know whether Kojo, as since I read the news, I don't know whether you know see me wear face masks, whether I no go give my balance of my news, so maybe I wear them. This one I do am for saver. Say happy birthday, Chief. Me pray saver. Malin. They saver follow act Malin film. Not be Malin again. Say courtesy of Kojo Sam. So ma wear them. So that I go give me my balance of my news. So the day one, man, this is the worry me. Kojo try to wear this for 2 days. Because the birthday they celebrate 6th and 7th of July. Now they do the birthday. Day one, they do novelty match between Opunembe deputy chiefs versus Okpoma Kingdom deputy chief. You see the old bed there, you see this old bed they match. People football match. People they wait all this like 70, 80 years, they play match, chiefs them. Imagine that football go day. Ball never see. Breeze said they blow some old man fall. Breeze, they blow some old man fall. And now the same people they say, hey man, you know sabi play. That day if you see Opunembe Chiefs and the Okpoma Kingdom, they match. But after the match come be draw. But as a draw safe, they still give prizes to the both deputy chiefs. Even people linesmen, they give prizes to even linesmen. People with the big ball say they give prizes. If it's the remain small safe. Because you forgot you never can give people prizes. The way we carry like yoga. Day two. Even for the myself, people observe social distance. So like the two referee they to other side, the two goalkeepers self, one goalkeeper they decide, the other goalkeeper they decide. They observe social distance. The two football team, one they decide, They don't come close. They say observe social distance because the same way they observe social distance. So they far they play the ball. They don't come close. Social distance. Day two of the birthday. Compulsory face mask with your hand sanitizer. If you don't get face masks, you don't get hand sanitizer, they're not going to allow you enter the place. Now, so, party. But before that morning of the day to self, they do canoe race, give prizes to canoe race people. In fact, big men come the birthday. all the assembly members. This my man, wetin be name sef, Honorable Angala Timi Omumbo, that guy, na good guy. Since he come the birthday, plenty people. Engineer Lali Solomon, big boys, they come the birthday. People like Chief Felix Yeri. Men come, people come. Now one comedian, Senebo, Ebitimi Ogoniba, they call him AKA MC Skenibo. Now he the MC of the birthday. Even that boy self, this guy self, don't shop from Kojo where we just saying they get fat. Go just did that same type boy himself. Na Kojo boy where they empower. If you see this Kojo boys, man, they even fresh past local government chairman. If they say he go become Kojo boy, I be go become local government chairman. My brother, if you see some plenty people go choose say, let me be Kojo boy because so can't local government chairman self allocation they create come. So the day two of the birthday, good vote for the evening, food. If you see food, people eat. Some people carry this purging medicine, carry go so that they no get purge because some people they eat, they mix different any kind of food we want they. Akamu, tea, egusi soup, all the soup, every food they see people they eat. One woman they eat, they make salad, they eat fufu self because of the food don't too plenty. But Silva no come the birthday shabo. In the Abuja they watch the birthday online birthday. You know now the life don't go online. With online you can discuss with God. So now this one are the news. What we'll get the update of Timothy Silva Marlin birthday. Even Adi, and they say Adi self say make I put in news. Adi self. And one person where they always empower the youth for that. Now the honorable representing Brass Nimbe Federal Constituency. Instead of empower people well. All these people say na Silva boys. Adi said don't empower Adi. He's something very, very good. Now very good man. So we want leaders like this where we say if your Oga empower you, empower the people where they down. Like now, Kojo they plan to buy me motor. I say man no talk. He want you can give me a surprise, but I say man no talk me no hear. But he say go buy me motor sha. Then later go fire buy me small helicopter where I feel they carry the go village.